sometimes in Excel, it's helpful to have drop-down lists. For example, here, I have an attendance sheet, a sample attendance sheet, and each time I take attendance, I also have to write notes on each of the students. And so to make life easier for myself, I've created a list of things that I can just choose for each student. Now, in order to do that, first thing I'm going to do is choose the column where I want the list written, and then I highlight all of the cells in that column that I want that list to appear in. Now, I only have up to row 17, but I'm going to go a bit further down just in case I add people later on. So now I have that highlighted. I'm going up to Data. Press that if it's not already pressed. And then I have Data Validation here. Press Data Validation. And then under Settings, I go and I choose. I have a whole list of different ways I can put information into the cells. I'm going to choose List. Now here, I input what I want in the list, and I separate it by a comma. So anything separated by a comma will become a new entry. Something like that. Now, if I press OK, all of these will have that drop-down list. Now, if you're not sure, I go here, and I just press this little thing, and there. I can do the same thing. Data, Data Validation. Choose List. Press OK. And here too, any of these that I choose on will have that in there. Now, to make it easier for myself later on, I'm just going to put, so this was about questions. So I'm just going to put here, I'm going to write questions. So I know that all of these are about questions. And here, I'm going to write, and of course you can add as many as you want. Now the good thing is, when I'm doing this, maybe I'm choosing Sam. This isn't important for Sam. This is. So I only chose that. For Lucy, I need both. So you can pick and choose who gets what and how many of each of these they get. If for some reason you made a mistake or you don't like your list, you can always erase it. And the way you erase it is you go down here, go back up to Data Validation, and press Clear All. Clear All. OK. Now what happened is that drop-down list is gone. There's no longer a drop-down list. I can erase those if I need to. And I can create another drop-down list if I want.